In this video, we will discuss about how to slice the data set. So the first step is, as usual, import the libraries. Second step is to import the data set, and we are selecting here as country, gender and age, the three columns we are using. So how to select a particular rows, that is data of. So I want to select from the 10th row to the 14th row. In that case, I'll give 10:15. So the columns, the rows from 10 to 14 is displayed. Now how to slice the data in the column wise? There are three commands to do it. That is data.loc, data.iloc, data.ix. So in this data.ix is depreciated. It is no more used in Python. So data.loc is used for non-integer column names, and data.iloc is used for integer column names. So how to slice the data column wise using loc command we will discuss here. So loc, data.loc of same 10:15, and here I wish to get only the country column. So country. Now here you see that only the country column is fetched up. From 10 to 15, the country column alone is fetched up. So I can also give data.loc of colon 10 colon (17), comma, and now I want to fetch the age. So here you see only the age column is fetched. And suppose I want to fetch two columns, I can give country, comma, age. So here you see that country as well as age column is fetched from the 10th row to the 17th row. So similarly we can give data.loc simply in rows data colon 20. So this will fetch the top 0 to 19th row. Or I can also give data 20 colon. So here it gives from the 20th row till the 1084 row. It just fetch the data. Similarly, column wise also we can fetch it. Let's see how it's done. Data.loc, then colon 20, comma, country. So we see that till the 0 to 20, the country column is fetched. From the 0 to 20th row, the country column is fetched. Similarly, I can give data.loc of 20 colon, comma, country. Here from the 20th row, the country column alone is fetched. So I can also fetch one more column. Here I say comma, age. So from the 20th column, country and age, from the 20th row, country and age column is fetched over here.